morning. I am Srirekha, Department of Chemistry. Today I am going to talk about on the topics of electrochemistry based on this Galvanic cell. So electrochemistry is nothing but whenever the electrons and the current produces the voltages within this formation of a galvanic cell. So the galvanic cell which consists with this the formula with this, there are two beakers which is connected with this salt bridge, and the salt bridge which is mentioned by using in the form of an agar-agar gel or in the form of a KCl solution or in the form of a KNO4 or substrate materials. So in this the diagram is defined with the zinc rod being linked with this zinc sulfate solution, and the copper rod is linked with this copper sulfate solution which is immersed in 1M zinc sulfate solution, and with this copper with the 1M CuSO4 solution as an electrolytic solution. And these two solutions are connected by using in the form of a salt bridge, and the electrode with the zinc is at the zinc electrode, and with the connected with this voltmeter, with this again the voltmeter which is connected to this copper electrode. So here the negative and the positive ions which is created by using in the form of a transfer of electrons. So the transfer of electrons which is being used in the form of the electrons from the zinc goes into the solution as a Zn2 plus ions, and from this copper which gives a deposit of over the metal, and it gives the CuSO4 as a solution to deposit over the metal on this reactions. So we will get the transfer of electrons from this zinc to the copper electrode by using in the formation of this substrate material. We will have the changes of ions during this reaction. The changing of ions during this reactions can be carried out in the form of with the reduction and the oxidation process. So the reduction and the oxidation process which is explained by this example at the anode, when the Zn gives the solution as a ZnXO4, and with this copper the electrode which gives as a Cu which gives CuSO4. So the reactions can be carried out in the formation of zinc then react with Zn2 plus 2E minus with the top of electrons, with the zinc goes to the solution as a Zn2 plus ion. So whenever the zinc transposes the solution through this reaction, it will react with this anode reaction and forms as Zn2 plus ion reactions. So with the loss of electrons, so Zn which gives Zn2 plus 2E minus with the loss of electron transferring to the number of electrons can be carried. And by using as the cathode, same as the process with this copper also when it gains with the portion of the electrons. So whenever the copper gains the electron and it forms again with this copper metal. So when Cu goes into the solution, already the Cu solution is done with the Cu2 plus ion. So Cu2 plus ion again with this chain of electrons which it transfers to form a Cu. So this is the formation how the reactions can carry out, and we can cancel the same reactions by using these two reactions. We will get zinc plus copper which gives Zn2 plus copper metal. So it is a reversible reactions. The reversible reactions can be carried out in the formation of the zinc and the copper, because the zinc deposits the metal over the sulfate solution, and the copper electrode which again is deposited over through this copper metal rods. So here, and it gives the voltages of the point with this 1.4 voltages which is produced under the formation of a potentiometer crystal experiments. So whenever we have this galvanic cell within this same rod, the electrode with this same sulfate solution, it gives the transfer of electrons we are using in the form of a charged on the electrode. So same with this same of copper. Copper typically is copper sulfate solution which it gives the same transfer of electrons in this electrode. By using this transfer of electrons from this agar gel, it consists with this formation of a KCl. So the KCl with the agar gel is considered as an chloride pools. The chloride pool which has functions to the transfer of electrons by using in the form of a voltmeter. While we are connecting in the formation of a voltmeter in the anode to the cathode, the transferring of electrons during these reactions can be formed by using the copper plus zinc metal ions, and with this zinc metal ions with the formation of a copper metal. So these two reactions can be in the form of a reversible reactions. So they can be changing the reactions in the formation of a galvanic cell or in the voltaic cell. So whenever the cell has in the same function with this same electrons can be transferred, it can produce the voltage as 1.5 voltage. So this is clearly explained by using the form of Galvanic cell. Thank you.